My name is Smita Shah, and I was at the institute known as Smita Dalal, and I joined the institute in 65 and graduated in 67. We had our convocation in 1967. So wherever I would go, that IIM tag would make a real difference. People would want to know more and more about the institute than what I am going to ask for them. It's still, even today when I go to IIM, I go for convocation or for reunions. This is such a great vibe, I would feel, you feel so much, woven into the institute. Though most of the places we don't even know where it is now, where the class is or where the hall is. So, but anyway, that gives you a great satisfaction of going there. It's all good, fine, what does it? But to make it into such a big fund, you want the institute to grow, but there are many other checkpoints where an institution can go, not only by money. And this is only now 2 years old. We don't know how far it will go, what it will do, but they want to be like Oxford and Harvard. In itself, for so many years, it's been standing as the first institute. Keep it up with your, curriculum and your staff, professors. Compromise is not a word in today's youth, and that causes most of the problems, whether in studies, whether in job, whether at home, whether with your parents, with your children, with your wife or husband. If that compromise section comes into your life, life it could be very beautiful.